So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can increase the rendering speed in Premiere Pro 2 times before you were rendering. In order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply press on the file option on the top left corner, then click on project settings right there, then click on general. Now once you are in the general settings here, you need to select the renderer uh, to the GPU acceleration. For example, it might have been set to the software only. That's why the rendering is taking process. Now you need to select either the you in my case I have two GPUs, so I have two different GPU options right there. I would select I would recommend you to select the CUDA, that is for the Nvidia graphics card. If you have the option, go for it, or you can go for the OpenCL as well. Just don't go for software only. It will take a lot of time for you to render the footages and once you have selected this option, just simply hit OK and you are good to go. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.